Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on April 24, 2018, 20 of hour, 46 of minute, and 12 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how can you make fluffy slime? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how can you make fluffy slime. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how can you make fluffy slime. Fluffy slime ingredients: 1 bottle of Elmer's white glue shaving cream, the foam kind, not the gel or cream kind, borax solution, 1 cup warm water with 1 teaspoon borax, mixed until clear, eye contact solution, optional but recommended, food coloring, optional, essential oils, optional. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time.
Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.